What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to find content that people have already used to go viral to help get more views on your videos. So let's go. Okay, so it's actually a pretty simple process. All you have to do is search sort for TikTok on whatever search engine you use. Download that. It looks like this little icon up here. Then you want to come to TikTok and you want to come to, I'm just going to use my page. You want to come to someone's page that is big in your niche. So for affiliate marketing, you want to do someone who's promoting your product or product similar. You want to come to their page, you want to press this, and then press start, and it'll go through and filter all the videos from that page and show you the best ones at top. So right here, these are all my best videos with the most views. So you can use this on different pages and collect different information to see what's working and what isn't inside your niche. This can be helpful when you're struggling to make content, don't know what to post, or your content isn't getting the views you think it should be. Alright guys, I know this was a quick little video, but I hope it helped. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and all my socials will be down below, along with my links if you want to start your own online business. So check that out. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you next video. Peace.